Hello everyone, how's it going? So today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Anker Soundcore Q11i headphones to your Windows PC right here. This is a laptop, okay? This can pretty much connect to any desktop, PC, laptop, Mac, anything. I don't think there should be any issue as long as your device is not, way too old, like 30, 40 years old or something like that. So you should be good. So first things first, we're going to go ahead and turn these on. Okay, let's locate the power button, which is this one right here. We're going to go ahead and hold the power button until we see the lights here. Once you see this, it means it has turned on and it is now in pairing mode. So now we're going to go to our laptop. We're going to go to our Bluetooth settings. All right. We're going to go ahead and open Bluetooth settings. Wait for it to load. And let's try to go and find our device. So let's first forget this one right here because it's already connected. Just for the video, I'm going to remove it. Okay, it has been removed. Now it's as if it was never connected and I'm connecting it for the first time. All right, so we're going to go to add device. It's going to give you a bunch of options. So it says audio devices, mics, keyboard, phones, pens, controllers, and more. Okay, so since it fits here, we're going to go ahead and click that. There we go, Soundcore Q11i headphones. Let's go ahead and click that. There we go. They are connected. We can press done. There we go. They're connected. All right. So now whatever you play on this device, you can hear the audio from here. So pretty easy. That's all.